即马拍电动嘛有新的发展啊哦，英国即马已经发一款装置，伫拍电动赛车的时阵，若是去弄到物件，会当闻到臭火大的味，要互耍电动的人有无共款的体验。
参加试验的博士班学生头顶戴这个头戴装置造型正特别，这条透明管加麦克连到喙甲鼻仔附近。 伫耍的时阵，车若发生车祸，就当闻到气味，赶紧打洞啊。
It smells like a car crash, like burning tires, but it makes the experience quite different. It's a bit scary even.
华为大学研究团队加电源公司做伙研发的这种多感官加速模拟头戴装置，互耍的人会当闻到环境场景的气味，增加视觉加听觉以外片觉的感官体验。负责开发的教授讲，结合多种感官的互相作用，互你耍起来更加亲像是真的，强化真正的效果，互游戏开发有新的灵感加创意。
Gaming, of course, people want a more immersive gaming experience, and of course, smell is a very important part of the real world. So in the driving simulation that we're doing here, if you have the smell of the burning brakes, of course it's going to indicate there's a problem and you should maybe take your foot off the brake. So if you didn't have that smell of burning in the game, you wouldn't respond correctly.
这个多感官加速模拟的头戴戏机，经历了华为大学60周年校庆的活动第一遍发表。最近发表的还有这套味觉侦测装置，研发人员讲，对医学的角度来看，鼻仔加喙齿感觉的变化是一寡疾病的指标，像阿兹海默症就是。鼻觉侦测器就能帮助检测阿兹海默症早期症头。
The problem is you can get Alzheimer's in your 40s or 50s, but you won't know about it until your 60s or 70s when you fail a memory test. So how do we determine the people who've got it? Because before November 2022, there was nothing you could do about it. But now there are new drugs, the lecanemab, which are available, which slow Alzheimer's down. But crucially, only if it's caught early.
未早期检查出是毋是得到阿兹海默症，定期电脑断层检查是一种较有效的方式。不过，因为医疗资源分配甲法规，伫即马是无法度正普及，开发其他简单的检测方式就正重要。华为大学即马抑搁伫咧发展片觉侦测仪器，透过分析个体片觉功能变化来体检早期阿兹海默症患者。若是研发成功，有希望会当改变以后疾病诊断的模式，成做预防医疗的重要突破。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。